what's going on YouTube? Welcome into the channel, and I want to talk about Amazon and how you can learn to sell on Amazon today. You can get started selling on the biggest e-commerce platform in the world right now. So it's 2022. I know a lot of you think you missed the Amazon train. That is not the case at all. There are plenty of items that you can buy at thrift stores, at garage sales, at yard sales, at any kind of estate sales or auctions, anywhere that you can think of, just about wholesale, which is a fantastic opportunity in 2022 that you can sell on Amazon that do not require you to be ungated, which means unrestricted. If you don't know about Amazon, I'm going to show it to you in just a second. But there are categories and items on Amazon that are basically blocked. No one is allowed to sell them unless you have special permissions or special sales history, or you get permission. And I'll talk about that in a second about what that requires. But there are tons of other products that don't require any of that. You can literally buy them and get started for free selling on Amazon with a individual account. It costs you $1 extra in fees when you sell an item, but you don't have to pay the $40 a month to be an Amazon seller. So you can get started without giving them the $40 a month, learn the platform, get your feet wet, and then you can upgrade to the pro account, which is $40 a month. Obviously, if you sell more than 40 items at $1 extra fee, then of course you would make sense to do that. But we'll talk about all that in just a second. So I figured since it's 2022, no better time than now to show you exactly how easy it is to list and sell on Amazon with almost no effort at all. I know that sounds crazy. It sounds too good to be true, but I'm going to show it to you right here on my computer screen. I'm going to screen share, and it's basically going to be a step-by-step. How do you sell on Amazon and Amazon FBA in 2022 for beginners? So if you're scared of Amazon, if you've never sold on Amazon, if you thought about it, or maybe you didn't even know you could sell on Amazon, if you didn't know you could sell used merchandise on Amazon versus new Amazon merchandise, this is the video for you. So let's go check it out, and hopefully this will help you guys learn how to get started on the biggest e-commerce platform in the entire world, $400 billion a year. Plus, why not get your piece of it? And as we jump into this video, there are some free links down below. Please check them out. It is an absolutely free Amazon Zoom webinar learning experience and also a downloadable ebook guide that you can check out. There's no cost, no strings attached. Just grab them. They're about wholesale on Amazon in 2022. Check them out from our supporters, and we hope that that will help you with your business as well. So thank them down in the description box and the comments below. Those links will be available for you. But without further ado, let's go over and learn how to sell on Amazon and Amazon FBA in 2022 for beginners. Let's check it out. Okay, so here we go. This is the Amazon site that we all know and love. This is where we shop. This is where we buy everything that we need, right? I order everything from my labels to my grass repair and everything that I need off of Amazon. So let's go over here. This is actually the Amazon Seller Central. It's a different login, different website than normal Amazon. And you can see Treasure Chest FL. That is my name on Amazon, in case you ever want to go check it out. Amazon Seller Central. Now, if we come over here, this is Amazon's main page. Become an Amazon seller. And I'll link this down below along with all of those free Amazon training logins and product guides and Zoom webinars that you can sign up for. It'll all be below. So this is where you can sign up for $39.99 a month plus selling fees to be an Amazon Pro seller. And more than half the units sold in the stores are from independent sellers like us, third party, 52% actually. But if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and they've got a little bit of introduction to e-commerce selling here that you can read also, there is a sign up to become an individual seller. And if you click on that, it will take you, it's going to take you to my page because I'm already a seller. I'm actually a pro seller, of course, but this is where you would do that. So I'll link this page down there below along with those free webinars and free guides that you can check on to help you out as well. So this is the basic page to sign up and be a seller. Once you're a seller, you'll come over to this page, and this is where you are able to control everything. So this drop down on the left has got catalog, inventory, pricing, orders, all the stuff that you would normally see on eBay, but right here. And so I just want to show you how easy it is. And if you get orders, of course, you will see the orders that you have going out here, where I sold remotes for $39 and $45 and $24. So all kinds of remote controls that I sell, just like I do on eBay, I sell them over here on Amazon. Okay, so let's go ahead and close my order screen out. Let's go back here to the main page. And you can literally go to inventory once you have this, and you can click on manage inventory to see this screen, to see everything that you have. But you can just click add a product. And once that comes over here, you can look up your product and find it. Or if you know the UPC or the ASIN, you can certainly pull it up from there. So let me go ahead and close that out. Let's go up here. So let's look up, let's say that I have an MX500 remote, right? So this is a remote that that I sell quite a bit of. I've sold probably 10 or 15 of these on eBay, MX-500. So it doesn't actually show up on Amazon. And so there are none of those on Amazon. So if I come over and manage my inventory, what I can show you is, here we go, an Xfinity XR5. And so what I would do is go to Xfinity XR5. I can search for it. And it comes up, right? This comes up as a remote. Now, when I search for it, there's all kinds of listings, but this is the one that I want. There are 13 used and new. You can go look at your competition and see exactly what everyone else is charging for this remote. But if I wanted to list it on Amazon, I'd literally just select, do I have a new one or a used one? I have a used one, and I want to sell this product. And then I literally can just come down here and type in my SKU. Let's say it's A11. I don't know. Let's say that I want to price it at $15. And I have free shipping. As an individual seller, you will have a default like $4.99 shipping price. But if you do become a pro seller, you can edit that and do free shipping and things. Let's say I have 2 of them, right? And condition is used good. You can upload your photos if you wish. And you can either do, I will ship this item myself, just like if you had it on eBay or Mercari or Poshmark. That's called FBM, Fulfilled by Merchant. You are the merchant and you're fulfilling the order. Or you can do Amazon will ship and provide customer service, fulfilled by Amazon. That's called FBA, and you can do either one of those. Now, this is a beginner video, so I'm not going to get into FBA. I do have a complete training course on how to buy and sell on Amazon, how to do FBA, all of the in-depth things that you would need to go deeper into Amazon. I'm not going to put it on this video because this is simply a beginner's video. I'll link that training set of videos down below if you're interested in those. They are 50% off right now. And that's it. You can also add more attributes if you want to do things like a condition note or your handling time to 1 day. You can do that. And so that's as easy as it is. And once I would be done, I would literally just click save and finish. And that's it. That is the entire process to listing on Amazon. I know it seems too easy. I know it seems too good to be true, but literally that is it. That is the entire thing. Now the default Amazon template for shipping is that $4.98 or $4.99 or whatever they set you up with default. Now I've created a new one that gives free shipping. So that's what I would put there. You don't have to have a product tax code. That doesn't matter. You don't have to do a sale price. You don't have to start or run a sale. You can if you want, like after a certain amount of days, I want to run a sale down to $12. Condition note, you can certainly type in, but none of these are required. The only thing required is a price, and really not much else. Quantity and condition is required, of course. And your fulfillment channel. And that's pretty much it. Now, I'm approved to sell in Canada and Mexico as well, so those will show there. I don't have my products listed on them. They're not really compatible, and I don't want to do it. But yeah, so you can instantly match the lowest price if you want. That's the entire Amazon listing process in a nutshell for beginners. Hit save and finish, and then your item will show up over here in your inventory, where you can, again, click on your inventory and manage inventory. If you have FBA, you would manage FBA there or manage inventory. Now there are a ton of other reports and adding products and advertising. I covered pretty much 99% of that in the training videos down below that I'll link. But yeah, here is my active inventory. I have this one, lowest price. I'm not the lowest here. I'm not always the lowest. I'm not always the most expensive. But all of these you can see over here are active. Active. Now this one says search suppressed, and the reason that this one says search suppressed is because there are other item specifics that they may not have recommended to me in the beginning that I can go in and edit, and you can click that and it will kind of give you the report of why. So this product name is following prohibited phrases, brand new, which are not compliant with the Amazon policy, should be removed from the product name. So somebody put the brand new in there, so I'll go in and edit that and make it used and we'll be all set. So that's pretty much Amazon selling in a nutshell. I mean, it's as easy as that. Now, there are some products that are not going to be, open, ungated for you to sell. And if it is, it'll tell you right when you click to sell it, like right when you saw me click add product, it would say you were unable to sell this, and you'd move on to another one. So when you're searching for items and you're scanning them at thrift stores or garage sales, make sure you use the Amazon Seller Central app, because when you use it and you search for that item and you find it, it has a sell button. And when you click sell, if you were blocked, it will tell you you were blocked. You can literally figure that out in seconds. So that is how quickly you can list your items on Amazon and start selling right away. Once you get orders, you'll literally just go to the order and click print label just like you would for anything else. And that's for FBM. If you do FBA, you have to pack it up and ship it into Amazon, and I'll cover those. I do have those videos, some on my YouTube channel, but most of them are going to be in that bundle down below. So check that out, 50% off if you want to learn the ins and outs of Amazon from top to bottom. But there are also 2 links down there to join the free Zoom webinar in a week on March 1st, and also a free download ebook that you can check out to learn more about Amazon. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you as always. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and take a minute to check out all those links down below. They have a ton of free sources and free information in them. And I hope to see you guys real soon in one of the webinars. Until next time, have a wonderful night, and I'll see you then.